go shopping, want it, then I cop it, ayy, yeah, popping, I do what they copy, ayy, look, he's a sweetie, kiss it when he's a sweetie, kiss it when he get it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Marvella and I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. Today I'm going to be attempting to make my teeth whiter. I want whiter teeth, but it's expensive to get your teeth like professionally whitened. I actually called Jefferson like a few days ago and I asked them how much it would cost to get my teeth whitened. They are saying $300 and something.
I'm broke, nigga, I'm broke.
Because of what, do I look like a $30 picking? I doubt that money to be wasting on teeth whitening. So I went on YouTube. They were saying baking soda, this, that, and the third. I tried it. I don't think that thing works, honestly. And I know it's not just one day, but obviously I've tried it like more than once. I don't really see a difference. So this company, luckily for me, reached out to me, Lucky Fine, and they sent me this teeth whitening kit, which I'm going to be trying on camera, and I'm going to be giving you guys like updates, like, you know, not just in this video. I'm just going to be randomly making videos until I guess the gel finishes, because I think things like this come with the gel. Anyways, let's get right into this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah guys, let's go. So it says share white teeth, cheerful sweet smiles, and like I said, the name of the company is Lucky Fine. It looks like one of those electric things that you just put inside your teeth. Well, I'm going to show you guys how my teeth look like, you know, before I start using the Kinikon. But I will read the instruction and all the necessary stuff before I show you guys, you know, my teeth or whatever. So, like I said, it comes in this little box. Very cute, nice packaging, no saran, nothing too much, nothing too nothing like that. So on the kidney, I've read it already. Lucky Fine, which is the name of the company, teeth whitening kit. It says natural formula, safe and effective, professional designed, and it shows like some USB cords. Let me put it right here because this light is always doing some yeah, shall you guys see? All right, so when you open the box, you see, of course, the manual, so that you're not going to shock yourself, because this thing look like electrical appliance. You have this thing. Yes, you have this little whatever. I guess this is what you put in your mouth. You have another thing like this that look like USB cord creators. It's like 4 USB cords connected to this. I don't know how this is gonna work. I don't know, but I'm guessing you connect this to a charger mouth or charger head or something, and then that's how it works. I'm going to read the instruction shot because I don't want to shock myself. No. What else does this come with? A bag. Okay, so basically when I looked this type of thing up, I saw like I was like, what's going on? I thought there was no syringe for the liquid that you use, but yes, it comes with this. It says teeth whitening gel on the body. This is what it comes with, and it also comes with another one. I think it's 2 of the teeth whitening gel that is there. I don't know. Let's see. Teeth whitening gel. So a pack of the whitening set, a big kit, comes with 2 teeth whitening gels. I don't know how to use it, but that's what the instruction set is for, the manual, aka instruction set. And yeah, like I said, a bag to put everything in. So this is the instruction kit, a bit manual, and then it says what? Apply the whitening gel. Apply whitening gel to inner wall of the tray. This is the tray, and this is the inner wall right here, like inside there is the inner wall. This is how it looks like. This is the inner wall. You put the what is this whitening gel there, and then what else did this say you should do? And then we bite the tray, charging from the phone or power bank. So I put it in my mouth basically. After 30 to 45 minutes removing the tray, clean the tray and store in a dry place. So so I should do this for 30 to 45 minutes. I'm going to do 45 minutes so I can see if I can see any difference. But yeah, before I do it, let me show you guys what my teeth looks like right now. Alright guys, so now that you guys have seen what my teeth look like before, using the kit, I'm going to try to use the kit now. I'm going to be using my laptop because the closest socket to this place is not going to be, it's not going to work out because this thing is not long enough. And I'm trying to figure out, do I use the old thing? Because if this kit is only supposed to be used twice because they only put 2 of this thing, then I don't understand. My teeth better be white and it better not turn brown again. Let me check. It doesn't say you can use it, you are supposed to do measurement or whatever, so I'm assuming it's only 2 uses with this kit. It's pretty affordable anyway. It's probably like 20 something, $30. With my code it's probably going to be like $20. So let's see if it works. This is how long the thing is. It's not that long. See it here, this is how long it is. Then I guess you connect this to this right here, and then you connect this one to either your charger or your phone or your charger head is what I meant to say, not your charger, pardon me. You connect it to your computer too. So I'm connecting it to my laptop instead of anything else. Ooh, it's blue, guys. Okay, hold on, let me disconnect it. I'm scared though, I'm not going to lie, I'm scared. I'm scared that this thing can shock somebody, but hopefully not, because that would suck. This is it. So we put it on the tray. It's not pressing. It is not pressing. What is going on? Oh. Oh, okay. It's pressing now. I hope it's not nasty, because if it's nasty, I'll be so angry. So I've put it up, and now I'm going to put it down as well. Okay, I think you can use it more. You can use this one more than once, because this is a lot of skinny. I've put enough. I feel like I've put enough, and there's still more. So I feel like you can use this skinny more than once. I'm gonna put this in my mouth. I think this has messed up my makeup, but well, time is up. I put it for 30 minutes. Honestly, the only thing I don't really like is the fact that it has built up saliva. I have built up saliva in my mouth and all that. That's just disgusting. But do I see a difference? I don't really know. I can't really tell, but I can see like a slight. The difference I can see is like slight, like it's very slight. But you guys might be able to tell more than I can. yeah, I see it's very slight difference. I'm gonna come close so you guys can see. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to try this product as well, go ahead and click the link in the description box below. Like I said, I do see a little difference. Of course, it's not a miracle worker. It's not Jesus Christ that my teeth will automatically be voila white like slow, but I feel like it's gonna work. You know, the more I use it, the more it's going to, you know, get whiter and all that. So yeah, you guys should try it out too. Let's go on this journey together. Link in the description box below. Use my code to get some money off, you know. Yeah guys, with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video.